once again, my YouTube friends. Today we're going to unbox another Hot Wheels car. This time it's the 70 Camaro. So this Camaro has a Hotchkis logo here. So Hotchkis is a suspension manufacturer. So in real life, they made suspensions for this car, and that's why they made Hotchkis stampo here. So this one comes in blue color and red racing stripes. I think there's also a green variant on this one. So it's part of the Hot Wheels Speed Graphics series. This is the 7th car of that series. So let's open the box right now. And here it is, free from the box. I really like this color. This reminds me of my Toyota Celica Hot Wheels also. So wow, this one has a bad cast on it. So you can see, come on Hot Wheels, you can do better than that. Look, there's an extra piece in the rear fender of the car, and that makes the rear wheel unable to roll. Damn. So you can see right here, see, the car won't even sit straight. Oh. So is this a card error or what? I'm not really familiar with error cards, so but overall I really like the look of this car with the blue paint, the red and white racing stripes. But I'm really quite upset with this one. It won't roll, and I think the axle, even if I remove the extra cast here, the axle is already bent. So come on Hot Wheels quality control, we can do better than that. So here it's made in Malaysia. So car is good, car is really good, but I'm upset with the build quality, or with the way Hot Wheels made this one. Here, another look of the car. Really good color. I really dig the blue, how this blue looks. I think this is a navy blue print. So that's it. So what do you think about this one? Is this an error card or not? Let me know in the comments below. Please like and subscribe to Nigo's Toy channel. Have a nice day and goodbye.